As you remember, I told you there are many invisible characters like paragraph signs or space, hard return or soft return, and tabs. And if you want to display them, you could simply click on this icon or press Shift Control or Shift Command 8 to display or make it hide. But what if you want to only see some specific thing like tabs? In this case, I could right click and go to the word options by clicking on Customize the ribbon, Display, and on Always Show these formattings mark on this screen. You could enable them and not dependent on this icon here. Let's say only display tab characters and OK. Now anytime I press tab and actually insert tab, you will see this. And doesn't matter if you show or hide the non-visible characters. Right click, customize the ribbon, display, and we have 4 spaces with dot, paragraph marks, and one useful feature is hidden text. If you remember, allow me to disable tab 1. If we select some part of text and go to font and enable hidden and OK, now it is very hard to find your text and select it and bring it back. Unless you select them all and do that, you might don't want to display them all again. In this case, on the word options and display, this is very useful. Enable hidden text and OK, and they will display with very thin dotted underlines to be recognizable they are hidden. Now I could select that much easier. If I need to bring, go to the fonts options, disable hidden and OK.